Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, and red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Birth prophecies, our sermons, seem to be about the potential to raise kids in charity, surrender, maintenance of society, and teachings. Live with a sanctity that reminds of places of pilgrimage. Condition yourself towards the right orders. The loss of states of mystical realization can make all else seem dull by comparison, but continue to take shelter. Absence doesn't mean the duty of family and friends isn't done, or that duty is towards mere excuse. Divine will exceeds plans and expectations. When mainstream society degrades, it may be good to flee society, to remember and be guided. Rulers shouldn't be excused for negligence or abuse. True loss is behavior. There is beyond analysis and expression. Kala, time, black, tense, is permitted the domain of unlawful shedding of blood, unlawful eating, drug use, games of chance or gambling, and unlawful sex. Continual practice saves us from the danger of dying with undesirable consciousness. Only express as far as your attainment. Personal neglect increases distress. Make yourself a living sacrifice towards being always protected and surrounded on an ultimate level. Keep seeking guidance of what to do and what not to. Attachment is not to be to the fallible, but relationships are means for mysticism. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize that the vibrations are a manifestation of the power of the all-attractive, the source of pleasure. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.